Hey, this is Jumabag Inisita trying to make an introduction. It's good, Ray. Before I start with my autobiography, ay magkakaroon muna siya ng introduction ng sayaw para sa akin, para sa ating lahat, para tatawa tayo, okay? This is how he do it, okay?
You can dance every dance with the guy who gives you the eye, let him hold you tight.
All right?
You can talk with him in the pale moonlight.
All right.
But don't forget who's taking you home, and in his arms you're gonna be. So darling, save the last dance for me.
Okay, that is his introduction. Okay, you can watch me there. You can watch me there. Go ahead, Ray.
Oh.
And
Was that good?
that was the introduction of my autobiography. I'm going to continue my autobiography, which I started the other night. And then you may go. And then
Yeah, I'm all
you may
done?
go, yeah.
I'm all done.
Yeah.
Okay.
So anyway, that was the introduction of my part 3. That was part 3, I think. Senior moment, I always forget. But anyway, I ended the other night. It's about where did I end? I said, so I started 2004. I started working, and I was telling you that I go substituting anywhere, and I was able to have a permanent job. Naging permanente ako, at saka pinagpatuloy ko hanggang sa nagkaroon ako ng credential, California's credential. But anyway, during that time, habang nagtatrabaho ako, ay kulang palagi ako sa tulog. I think I was 58 or 59 or 60, something like that. Kulang ako sa tulog dahil palagi din ako every weekend, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Remember? Like 3 times a week also, nagtitake ako ng klase dahil kailangan ko ang credentialing, California credentialing. At saka habang ako'y nag-aaral, nagtatrabaho din, kulang ako sa tulog, lesson plan. Tapos, observation ng mga bata, mga kindergarten yun. Tapos, nangyari. At saka pag Friday at saka Saturday, yung mga kaibigan ko, mga single kami noon, ay pumupunta sa mga, alam mo ba kung anong pinuntahan namin? Sportsman's Lads, at saka yung mga ibang sportsman's bar doon, at nagsasayaw kami. Kaya lang, sinasayaw ko, ang gusto kong isayaw ay mga kapwa ko babae. Kaya sabi nila, ano ba ito si Nelly? Nelly ang palayaw ko. Ano ba ito si Nelly? Ano ba ito? Lalaki ang gusto niya o babae? Kaya sasayaw ko. Yung sayaw ko ay hindi yung sweet. Ayoko ng sweet. Ang sayaw ko, yung ganang mga waki-waki. Waki-waki yung akin. Ayoko ng serious dancing. Gusto ko waki-waki. Tadi-dadan, pam-pam, pam-pam. Padi-dadam, padadam, pam-pam. That's how I danced before. I want the waki dancing. I don't want the sweet music. But I was just having fun. Fun. So, pumunta kami doon. Tapos yung mga babae. Ako ang pinakamatanda sa kanila. I was the eldest. Yung halimbawa, ako ay 60, ako ay 62, sila ay mga ano lang, 58, 56, 57, kung minsan, sila ang makukuha ng mga lalaki. Pero gusto din nila, makukuha sila, may sayaw kasi live band yun eh. Maganda ang live band. Yung, I remember, there was Just Us, maraming mga band, yung live band talaga nung unang panahon. Like 2004, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, something like that. And so, sayaw sila. Tapos, yung mga lalaki, gustong magsayaw sa akin, hindi ako maganda. Pero sabi nila, charming daw ako, tapos fun daw ako. Gaganyan-ganyan ako, gaganyan-ganyan ako. At the following night, sasabihin nila, Charlie, can we go dancing? Okay, let's go dancing with my friends. Sabi ko, kasi remember I told you that na-hurt ako dahil sa iyong lalaki, isang lalaki. So, I was so careful. At saka, di ba, naging insecure ako. Insecure ako dahil sa yung dito, ko, so insecure ako. So, ano nangyari every time we go there? Some men will say, oh, okay, there was a man that said, can I have your number? Oh, no, I'm sorry, you're very young, very young. Naku, napakabata mo sa akin, para ka lang anak sa akin. Oh, I will pair you with my friend. Mas bata pa, ito na. But I want a matured woman. No, I don't want also a young man. So, come on, I'll pair you. So, ako ang nag-prepare sa kanila. And to tell you, Ruth, yung pinag-prepare ko ngayon, sila na. There were about 4 of them. Sabi ko, dito, pair kayo. Dito, pair kayo. Sabi ko sa isang kaibigan ko, that's your type. Okay, nandito na siya. Alam mo ba yung ginawa ng kaibigan ko minsan? Sabi niya, bumalik yung niya nagkakaibigan sa doon sa sayawan, sa Sportsman's Sands. Tapos sabi niya, bumalik yung lalaki, sabi, hoy, nakita kita, mayroong kang kausap ng lalaki, sweet na sweet kayo. Sabi naman ng kaibigan ko, ay, hindi ako yun, hindi Nelly yun. Sabi ko, hoy, hindi akin yun ha, sa'yo yun. So anyway, nakakatawa dahil ako nag-prepare sa kanila and it's proven because nga hanggang ngayon nag-ano pa sila. So anyway, so yan ang ko, palaging trabaho, tapos saya-saya, weekend saya-saya, tapos pupunta kami ng karaoke, tapos pupunta kami sa Cowboy Palace. I remember Cowboy Palace there in Devonshire, there. Cowboy Palace. Tadan yung mga mga kinawboy. Nagbubuts yung mga babae sa pambuti. Padak. So, doon sa Cowboy Palace, tapos may mga lalaki nag-offer sa amin ng inumin, tapos may dala akong mga kaibigan, sabi ko, kayo magsayaw, dahil yung lalaki ay mga tatatangkat, sabi ko, kayo magsayaw. Sabi naman, yung kaibigan ko lalaki, hoy, yung kaibigan mo babae, tinapakan ang ang pa ko. Ay, never mind, just go on dancing with her. She will learn. At nagpunta kami sa karaoke, kumakanta kami, at saka sasabihin ng kaibigan ko, uy, bakit yung kaibigan mong isang babae inaantok? Kasi antokin lang yun. So anyway, maraming mga pangyayari na naganap sa buhay ko mula ng mastectomy ako. But I still continued my activities and affairs because gusto kong mag-positive sa life ko dahil minsan iniisip ko na siguro mamamatay na ako siguro nito. So I have to continue. So I have a lot of experience. I've been a lot. At salang ako ng dasal. Tapos nag-enjoy ako. At mayroon pang mga pagkakataon na nakita ko yung, remember I told you the other night that may nagustuhan ako sa lalaki, tapos bumalik siya, tapos sabi ko, ay naku, natatakot na ako, baka masaktan na naman ako. So, ano ginawa? Sabi ko, I'm staying away from him. I'm staying away there. Ayoko masaktan. I was thinking na lumayo siya sa akin dahil inisip siguro niya na she will be a burden. So ayoko na, sabi ko. So I was enjoying. There were lots of, because I was still young, very not so young, but a little bit younger compared now because I'm now 79. Bata pa ako, very slim ako. Tapos 98, 105 lang ako. Ngayon 138 na ako. So continue pa rin ang ligaya, ang enjoyment. Sayaw ako ng sayaw, pero I cannot wear you know, that sexy sex thing with the showing the hair. I cannot wear that one because, you know, I just had mastectomy. And I cannot wear this one because that there was like a plaster here, because I had, remember I told you I had also surgery here, and then I had also a surgery here. I mean, you know, that the kidney stone, remember, laser. So I was taking care of myself, but then I still went out with my friends, and my friends, they work also like weekdays, and they have to go out, you know, day off nila, go out kami ng weekend. At alam niyo, yung tinitirahan namin isang kwarto, kapag pumupunta na sila sa bahay mag day off, yung isang katre, kapag mayroon silang day off na, ganyan kami sa country, ganyan kami. Napakahirap talaga, napakahirap. So, I'm telling you now, marami akong experience dito sa Philippines. Not Philippines, in the United States. May rising, may bumababa, tumataas, bumaba, tumataas. At saka patuloy pa rin. Minsan mayroong mga lalaki na gano sa akin. I'm telling you, I have friends, so many friends. You know, my friend ako na lalaki nagbibigay ng maraming alahas dahil he has a jewelry store. So, dinatanggap ko, pero pinipare ko sila. At saka, kapag nag-date na kami ng husband ko, pupunta kami sa sports bar, makikita ko yung nagustuhan kong lalaki noon. Pero ayaw kong makipagkaibigan sa kanya dahil ayaw ko na masaktan. So sasabihin ko, ito, hindi pa kami kasal nito, lang kami nagde-date. Sabihin ko, let's go home. Sabi niya, bakit? Why? I just don't feel like dancing anymore because I saw somebody, so I have to tell him na dito yung yung tumutulong sa akin, at saka ayaw ko na makipagkaibigan sa kanya dahil baka ako masasaktan uli. So, he was trying to look for me because he went to the place where I stayed before. At the landlady told me that, oh, he was here. He was looking for me. Oh my God, tell him that I'm not living here anymore. But he was keep on looking for you. He wanted to see you. So anyway, iniisip ko na I have to stay away from him. Baka masasaktan na naman ako. So, ang nangyari dito ay pumunta ako sa isang kaibigan ko. Doon ako tumira. Tapos, sinundan pa rin ako. Nalaman niya. At saka, invite niya ako sa isang mall. At binibigyan ako kasi inisip ko, ay sige, bibigyan ako. Binibigyan niya ako ng mga damit, binigyan ako. So, okay, we'll just be friends. But then I said, I have to stay away. And then, he knows where he knew that I was staying there. So I have to leave to another place. My other friend, my lady friends, come to the other place, in Sunland. I was there in Sherman Way, then I was in Sunland, and then I was there in Burbank. So, and then he went there, and then he said, don't tell him anymore that I'm living here. So anyway, hanggang sa hindi na kami nagkita, tapos nagpatuloy na ako sa aking pagtrabaho. Tapos there in 2004, 2005, 2006, 2007, 2007, 2008. So hanggang sa nakita pa rin kami, hinanap pa rin ako. Itong kaibigan kong isang babae, sinabi niya, uy, nanap ka niya, kung alam ko. And one time, nagkatagbo kami. So, I just want to invite you in a theater, in a play. I have tickets here. So, sabi naman ng kaibigan ko, sige na, puntahan natin. So, sinabi ko sa kanya, I have a friend who want to go with us. Sabi niya, okay, I'll buy tickets for us. So, doon, kami sa play. Nag-play sa theater doon sa sa may theater na yung maliit na theater sa Glendale at maliit na theater, malaki-laki ang theater doon sa Pasadena. Doon kami dinala at saka yung sa sa LA, I forgot the name, but nila kasi he was fond of watching the theater, mga play, yung mga concert, yung ganyan. So anyway, pumunta ako pero may kasama na ako. So, and the following years, pupunta pa rin ako, kasama ko yung mga kaibigan ko, babae. I never had, with people na mga lalaki na wala akong kasama. Sabi ko, can I bring along with a lady friend until sila na pinapair ko. Kasi ako ang pinakamatanda sa kanila. Like 5 years ang tanda ko sa kanila. Yung mga babae tapos yung kaibigan ko sasabihin, anuhin mo yan, dahil gusto niya yung pupunta daw kayo sa movie. Sabi ng kaibigan ko, okay, this is my number, remember? So palaging sinasabi nila sa akin, sabi, kumusta na ang ninyo, yung mga date niyo? Ay, nako, kuripot pala yun, ayoko nun. So anyway, they have their own choice. At saka, yun ang nangyayari. Ngayon, hanggang dito lang. Tapos, bukas, iba na naman. Masasabihin ko sa inyo kung ano-ano pa ang mga gimmick at sa mga happening nung bata-bata pa ako. Wala na ngayon dahil ako ay may edad na at saka may asawa na. So, noon, I was having fun. That was after my surgery. I was still having fun because akala ko this is the last year, but still until now I'm still living. I'm loving life as a senior. Kaya huwag kayo magtataka dahil kailangan tayong ilalove. We have to create our own happiness. We have to create our own enjoyment at laugh lang tayo dahil laugh. If you laugh more, you will last. Okay? So this is the end of my video. Thank you for watching. Tomorrow, another again. And remember, another introduction with my husband and continuation of my autobiography. Thank you for watching.